N0 FXB Andreas UK. M0 FXB. So this video is called What is Network Radios? Well, here's a device here. It's called a W5. It has 70 centimeters built into it, but primarily it's an Android device. It's only running Android 6, but it has Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. You can pretty much download any app that you would need for the sort of communication amateur radio type hobby. It's got a built-in camera, and it's just excellent value. You can get these for about £100 if you're willing to wait to get them from China. But in the UK, probably 150. So I'll just we're on network radios now. So what we'll do, network radios is a term that was just sort of invented really for an Android device that looks like a walkie-talkie and that has a PTT here on the side, look. So you get the walkie-talkie experience. So we go back to Zello. Zello is one of the main apps that people like to use. So we're on Zello here. Let's go back. Let's go to network radios. Let's turn it up. There's someone talking now. You can see that? There's someone talking there now.
A lot of people are finding this, my friend. You know, I'm doing
There's someone else.
building at the moment.
This group of channels is actually called network radios and has 6 channels. But you can hear there's someone chatting there. If you go back, you get the list of all the channels you've got. You don't have to just add this group of channels. You can add other groups of channels, and there are unlimited channels out there. But it's perfect for radio communication. So if we just do like a test, go to the test mode of these channels, go down to what they call, go to contacts, go down to what they call echo test. Should be here in the list. There, echo. Go into solo mode, because you can either hear all your channels or you can hear just one channel. So let's just go to these 3 dots, status, then solo. We're in solo mode. So let's key that one up. I'll just call through M0 FXB Andreas. M0 FXB Andreas. You get the idea. So it's like a PT experience. I'll do it again. M0 FXB. And the other cool thing about network radios is most of them are touchscreen. M0 FXB. And the other cool thing about network radios is most of them are touchscreen. M0 FXB. M0 FXB. So for what you get, for what you pay, it's fantastic. You think about a radio like the FT3, which are £380. Same goes for the modern ID51 Plus, £380. And this one doesn't have Bluetooth or touchscreen. It doesn't have a colour screen. Although this one has lots of functions packed in it, to be honest with you, the network radios have more functions packed in. So for me, if you're into communication, if you're a CBR, amateur radio, anything like that, network radios is a must-have. The other thing you can do is you can download other apps. So I'll look at some of the apps I've got on here. So for example, you've got Echolink, which you do need to have a license to use, but there's Echolink there. Let it boot up, and we'll see if we can log into M0HOY's group. So go like that, M0HOY, connect, and this is linked to...
A dozen times on the way, but there we go. It'll all come to an end shortly.
So that's linked to repeaters all around the world. It's based, it's Manchester HubNet, M0HOY, all a really good bunch of guys there. And if if no one was speaking, I can just key the PTT as normal, and I can have a chat anywhere in the country. So there's one app. We can exit that. I'll just show you one more. I'm pretty sure I got Peanut in here. Again, that's a ham one, but you don't. There are several CB and other type apps. There's Peanut there. Not sure if I'm able to log in yet. Yeah, it looks like I can. So look, if I can use this PTT. Anyway, you get the idea. And then you can download GPS apps, get your location. This particular radio has a 70 centimeter radio, as you can see. I've added a different rubber duck, and it's a very cool looking device. This one's quite big and chunky, but that's how I like it. And the neat thing is, it actually has a camera. There you go, one camera. So what I'm saying is that network radios, to me, is a must-have. It's a must-have communication thing, and I highly recommend getting a network radio from M0FXB.